Is it okay if I open up? Or?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you want me to help you turn on the light?
Yes, please. Cool. So, yes, no storage. Okay.
Thank you very much. You kept it really nicely.
I'm hoping to have an offer agreed and then no more viewings.
Pardon?
I'm hoping we can get an offer agreed this week and then hopefully no more viewings. Okay, some more storage here. Washing machine. Okay. Okay. Just quickly show the view.
How does he know? East.